The natural preparation process for a majority of presenters is rehearse, recite, and do it over and over and over again. But what happens when you do this, you start to become canned and rehearsed. And that's exactly what you don't want to do during a presentation, because what happens is your voice, well, it starts to stay in this monotone band. And if you've ever listened to a monotone speaker before, it is extremely difficult to follow along for a long period of time. And what I want you to think of is the show Family Feud with Steve Harvey.
That was a good answer.
The show on paper is pretty dull, pretty boring, but it's entertaining to watch. And why is that? Well, you have a stand-up comedian in Steve Harvey presenting it. And what he does is he inserts his personality and his style of humor, which makes it an enjoyable show to watch. Now, think of your work meetings. You present data, number, figures, project updates, all the things that go into a work meeting. It can get pretty dull and pretty boring. But if you insert your personality and your style of humor into that presentation, I guarantee your audience will listen a little bit more intently. So think about that the next time you go to present, and I promise you your audience will enjoy the message. This has been Jordan Jones, brought to you by EffectivePresentations.com.